Good morning all of you. Welcome in Sri Ganesh online lecture series. My name is Khadamai Pankaj. I am going to teach you EVS second work of cells. From 2 days we are learning this chapter. In this chapter we have learned about many sons. Again we went deeply to learn Sant Chakrudar Swami, Sant Jnaneshwar. Okay? Yesterday we have learned Sant Jnaneshwar's life. Which book Sant Jnaneshwar written, in which language he have written, in which language Sant Jnaneshwar wrote Jnaneshwari. Very good. Sant Jnaneshwar wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi. Why he wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi? Because the ordinary people's language was Marathi, and he wants to give knowledge to all the people. So he wrote Jnaneshwari in Marathi. And other religious books were in Sanskrit. So people were unable to take that knowledge. So this was the reason to write Jnaneshwari in Marathi. Okay. So now today we are going to learn Sant Eknath. Okay. This one is also a Sant. We are going to learn about Sant Eknath. Have you seen this picture? Sant Eknath. How many of you know Sant Eknath? Very good. See, I will show you picture of Sant Eknath in our textbook. See here, this one is Sant Eknath. Your name is also given. You can read the name. What is the name? Sant Eknath. See what is shown in this picture. Sant Eknath, one child, backside river is there, one temple is there, some people are there. Like this. So, we'll learn about this picture. But first of all, do you understand who is Sant Eknath? Yes, very good. So see, we are going to learn about Sant Eknath. So put your index finger on page number 5. Lesson number 2, page number 5. Put your this index finger on line. First we will read it and then we will explain it. Okay? So put your finger. See, Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath carried on the work started by Sant Namdev. What Sant Eknath started his work? Which work was carried by Sant Namdev? That work he started. Do we learn Sant Namdev? Yes, Sant Namdev, who was great devotee of Vitthal and who used to live in Narsi. Okay? That whatever work Sant Namdev was doing, that work is carried by Sant Eknath. Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Eknath carried on the work started by Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar. He lived in Paithan. He preached that the way to reach God was through devotion. Bhakti Marg. He wrote numerous religious songs, abhangas, ovis, and bharuds. His advice to the people was not to accept any distinction of high and low. He made friends with the poor and the downtrodden and taught them devotion to God. His love extended, next side, this side, front side now, even to the dumb animals. He exhorted the people to love all living beings and practice what he preached. This much we are going to learn first, then we'll see next paragraph. See what Sant Eknath did. Whatever work started by Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar, he carried out that work. Who carried this work? Sant Eknath. Okay? See. He lived in Paithan. Where does he live? He lived in Paithan. He preached that the way to reach God was through devotion, bhakti marga. What he preached? Preach means to give a talk. He told people that if you want to reach God, then there is only a way. Which way? Devotion or bhakti marga. Okay? Which way he told? Bhakti marga. He wrote numerous religious songs. He wrote numerous. Numerous means many. First, if you have learned this word, numerous. Numerous means many. He wrote many religious songs. songs Abhangas. What? Abhanga. Have you listened any Abhanga? Do you know? Yes, very good. Many of the children's grandparents knows Abhanga. So after this video lecture, you will ask your grandmother or grandfather about any Abhanga. They will sing for you. Abhanga, Ovids, yes, and Bharuds. Abhangas, Ovids, and Bharuds. He advised to the people was not to accept any distinction of high and low. What he advised people? Don't accept any distinction about high and low. Means we have to treat all people as a equal. All things are equal. There is no high and no low thing like this. So he made friends with poor and downtrodden and taught them devotion to God. What he did? He made friends. He made friendship with poor people and downtrodden. Downtrodden means oppressed. Oppressed people. We have learned now oppressed word many times. See. Downtrodden means oppressed. Oppressed. Downtrodden means oppressed. He made friendship with poor people, and like this oppressed people, those they are oppressed. He made friendship with them. And what he taught them? He taught them devotion to God. He taught them devotion to God. Who taught? Sant Eknath. Keep in mind. Otherwise we learn this and you will ask who was that person. Not like this. Who taught? Sant Eknath. His love extended even to the dumb animals. Dumb animals means his love extended. Extended means increased. His love increased towards the dumb animals also. D-U-M-B, dumb. What is mean by dumb? Unable to speak. Dumb means unable to speak. So dumb animal means animals those they are unable to speak. So which animals are there that they cannot speak? Dog, cat, cow, buffalo, like this. Tiger, lion, like this. These animals can speak? No. So his love extended towards these dumb animals also. He exhorted the people to love all living beings and practice what he preached. He exhorted people, means he taught people. He asked people to love all living beings. We should love all living beings and practice what he preached. And he to practice what he preached. Okay? So see, do you understand this much? What we have learned is that Sant Eknath carried work of Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar. What work they did? That he started, and then he wrote some numerous songs like Abhangas, Ovids, and Bharuds. Then he made friendship with poor people and downtrodden people and taught them devotion to God. Understood? See, and always we should take care of animals also. That also he taught. Okay? So see, next paragraph. Put your index finger again there. One day he was going to the river Godavari for a bath. Now one incident is told. How Dhaneshwar's life one incident was told like this now. Sant Eknath's life one incident is told here. At the story we have to keep all these things in our mind. Okay? So see, one day he was going to the river Godavari for a bath. Which river is this? Godavari. In picture I have shown you. This river is Godavari and this Sant Eknath was going for bath. At that time what happened? See, it was noon. The time was noon. Do you know noon means afternoon? Okay, afternoon is called noon, short form it is. Noon means the time, at the time of 12. And afternoon means 12 after time is called afternoon. So it was noon and very hot. It was very hot. The sand bed along the river side was very hot too. Sand bed means whatever sand is near the river, on the bank of river. See here this yellow color, this one is sand, and this sand bed was very hot. It was very hot. And why it was hot? Because it was noon time, so it was very hot. He heard the crying of a poor child sitting on the hot sand, and he heard a sound of a poor child who was crying and sitting on a sand. Eknath looked around and saw the child. Eknath looked around that where child is crying, and he saw that child, and he went towards that child. He rushed to him and looked around for the child's parents. He rushed to the child, not children. He rushed to the child and looked here and there for his parents, but he was unable to find out his parents there. No one was there. So he picked up the child in his arms. He picked up that child in his arms. Like this. Suppose this book is as a child. And I pick up it in my arms. So like this, he picked up that child in his arms. And wipe his tears. Do you know tears? Like this. When you are crying, water comes out from your eyes. That water is called tears. So he wiped out his tears and reached him home, and he reached that child at his home. Understood? Do you help your other children? If you found a small baby, he is crying on the road and he is unable to find out his mother and father, so what you will do? Yes, very good. You will ask him where does he live, and you will leave that child at his home towards his parents. Very good. Now see, so same incident is told about Sant Eknath. In this way, by his personal example, Eknath impressed the message of love and equality on the minds of the people. By his example, Eknath impressed the people, impressed the message of love and equality on the minds of people. But he taught love and equality. Okay? So like this, we have learned about Sant Eknath. Okay? So what we are going to do here, see this picture. First you observe this picture. Okay? Here Sant Eknath, here hot sand, here backside. Which river it is? Godavari. Okay? If question is asked, in which river Sant Eknath went to take bath? Yes, who can take? Very good. Sant Eknath went to take a bath in Godavari river. Which type of songs Sant Eknath wrote? So Sant Eknath wrote Abhangas, Ovis and Bharus. Okay? With whom Sant Eknath made friendship? Sant Eknath made friendship with poor and oppressed people. Oppressed means downtrodden. Okay? And again, his love extended to the dumb animals. Dumb means unable to speak. Okay? So see, like this incident is told. What incident told? That Sant Eknath was going to take bath on Godavari river. While going, he heard a sound of child who was crying. So he looked here and there, and then he saw a child who is crying on the hot bed sand. Hot bed of the sand. Then he rushed toward that child, and he looked here and there for his parents, but he was unable to find his parents. No one was there. So he took that boy in his arms, and he reached that boy at his house. So from his work, he gave message of equality and love.